So I'm Jeff Gaffney. I'm chairman of the chemistry department at the University of Arkansas Little Rock, and wanted to share with you some of the activities that, as chair and also member of the American Chemical Society's Committee on Chemistry and Public Affairs, I've been recently was involved with meetings in December of this last year in 2008 to visit with the number of agencies, and these included the National Science Foundation, the Department of Energy, U.S. Department of Agriculture, National Institute of Health, and also we were able to get a chance to talk with a couple of members of the Obama transition team about stimulus packages, which of course are a big thing in the news these days about things that are happening. And one of the things that we were trying to talk to them about, which this meeting was actually done with the Council for Chemical Research, which is a number of the chairmen of chemistry departments across the entire country involved with this. They had gotten a study done that actually looked at the amounts of money that were spent on research in chemistry and how that money went through the economy, and they did a very serious study of this in 2005, which showed out the back end that actually by spending $1 billion that would generate 600,000 jobs in the chemistry industry, that it would generate $40 billion in the GNP, and about $8 billion in taxes back to the federal government to help essentially balance the budget, which everybody, of course, is concerned about. So this study actually turned out that was set up by chemists, was one of the first studies that showed in detail this kind of impact. And this is being used by the agencies and it was at the heart of some of the planning activities, etc. So it was a lot of fun to talk to the folks there and also to put in a pitch for the fact the importance for chemistry, science, technology, and education. So one of the things we're working here in the chemistry department at the University of Arkansas Little Rock to do is to try to improve the education opportunities in Arkansas, and we've been doing this through our undergraduate chemistry, which we're now trying to get undergraduate research projects going. The other thing we've been trying to do is to also advance our graduate program. And we have a master's in graduate chemistry that we offer, but the other thing we're also offering now is a PhD in chemistry. And this is actually done in collaboration with the Applied Science Department. So currently I have 4 doctoral students that are in my program that I'm working in climate change research, and of course that's another area that gets a lot of attention. So I get out a lot for the American Chemical Society. I do a lot of work for the American Meteorological Society. I'm actually on their board of women minorities, doing work for them, and then I also do an awful lot of work for the with AG, American Geophysical Union. So a very active research group, lots of good things going on here, and I hope that if you have any questions about the chemistry department, just feel free to contact me here at University of Arkansas Little Rock and go to our webpage, which is essentially www.ualr.edu/chemistry, and I'd be happy to answer any questions.